Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering and pairing. Press and hold the earbuds buttons to wake them while the case is open. Once connected, make sure your phone lists them as the primary audio device so calls and media route correctly. Update firmware through the brand app to unlock improved noise cancellation algorithms, because software updates refine how mics and DSP interact. If pairing stalls, reboot the phone and retry. You're ready to move into active noise control. You now enable active noise cancellation and tune it to your environment. Select a mode, soft for offices, max for planes, and then adjust the strength so voices are reduced without making you dizzy. Use the app's EQ to restore low end if ANC muffles bass, and swap ear tips until you get a snug seal. That physical fit matters more than any setting. Once done, test with a noisy track and speak aloud to ensure voice pickup in calls remains clear. You finish by validating real-world performance. Make a call walking on a busy street, then listen to a podcast on a train. These checks show how ANC and mic processing behave under load. If you get stuttering, one ear louder, or unclear noise suppression, perform a factory reset and repair because cached profiles can corrupt processing. Make sure mic ports and mesh are clean. Dirt changes acoustic response. If problems persist, contact support with firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.